Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change a fog light on an Audi A6 C6. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T25 bit, and your new H11 fog light bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down for safety. To begin, turn your steering wheel fully to the side where you'll be working, giving you better access to the wheel well liner. Now, locate the small access cover inside the wheel well. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open. Next, you'll see two Torx T25 screws securing the fog light grille. Unscrew these completely. With the screws removed, gently pull the entire fog light grille assembly straight out from the bumper. This will give you clear access to the fog light housing itself, making the next steps much easier. With the grille out, you can now access the fog light bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, twist the old H11 bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. Take your new H11 bulb, insert it into the housing, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Finally, carefully push the fog light grille back into its position on the bumper until it clicks. Reinsert and tighten the two Torx T25 screws, then close the small access cover in the wheel well. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it illuminates properly. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other helpful resources for your Audi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.